I'm Libby from the Ian Potter Library at Alfred Health. This is a guide for Monash University students to navigate the Monash University Library and find resources for their study and research. This is the fourth video in our series designed for Monash students. We are not a Monash campus, but we are affiliated with them and provide services to assist Monash students who are undertaking a placement at Alfred Health or who are studying with a department that is based at Alfred Health. In this video, we will show you how to access the databases, subject guides, and library guides available on the Monash Library website. These can help your research, especially if you are looking for journal articles. In the previous videos in this series, we discussed searching the library catalogue, but for looking for journal articles, that is not the most comprehensive way to search. The best way to search for journal articles is to use the databases. On the Monash Library homepage, start by going to Databases, which then brings you to the databases homepage. We are assuming that you are a student in the Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences faculty if you are watching the series. So the most relevant place for you to go from here is to scroll down to Databases by Faculty and then select Medicine, Nursing and Health Sciences. This page gives you some of the key databases that are relevant to medical students, some of which you may have already heard of. This includes Medline, Cochrane Library, CINAHL, and MCare. Here at the Ian Potter Library, we also have access to these databases through our site, and we run classes on how to use them. As Monash students that are placed at Alfred Health, you therefore have great access to a variety of medical knowledge that you should take advantage of while you are here. On this page, you can also have a look at other medical-related resources that the Monash Library has. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see a list of all of the medicine, nursing, and health science e-journals that Monash has access to. It is worth checking both the e-journals list that Monash has access to, as well as the e-journals list that our library, the Ian Potter Library, has access to, as there may be some journals which one institution has that the other does not. The Monash University Library also has a handful of library guides for medical students. This includes a step-by-step breakdown on how to prepare a systematic review, a literature review, and an explanation on research-based practice. These are quite useful and are broken down into small sections so that they are easy to read. Since you are likely to tackle these subjects in your studies, we recommend that you read them. And if you have further questions about those topics, you can always approach the Monash University Library with any of your questions, or use their Meet with a Librarian service to drop in and ask any questions you have. Now you should be able to find the databases and library guides provided by the Monash University Library. This is the final video in our series on the Monash University Library's key services. There will be a link in the description to the whole playlist so you can watch all the previous videos. Thank you for watching.